500-liter vacuum emulsifying machine. This machine is electric heating, bottle homogenizer with internal and external circulation. This is the main port. This stairs platform, electrical control case, and the water and oil phase. Before you operate this machine, you have to do some preparations. The first one is to connect the power supply. It is 380 watts, 3-phase. Then you need to connect water into the small tanks. This one is connect the vacuum pump. The water should be inside here. And open this door. Fill the water into this small tank to protect the homogenizer. The water level is below this pipe. You have to regularly check the water of this one and this one. Should be keep water inside. Okay. And also you need to fill the water into the jacket of the main port from here to connect the water. And until the water flow out this outlet, this one. This is the port lid, pressure gauge, valve of the vacuum pump, set mirror to observe the inner side. This is the material in it, sucking. Here, it is to add the fragrance or powder. This is the air brake. This is for cleaning. And there are the control panel buttons and the meters. 3-phase power supply indicator light, currency meters, and the frequency control for the mixer and the homogenizer. The top green light are the working indicator light. The middle green buttons are the starting buttons. The red buttons are stopping buttons. This is emergency stop. This is water and oil port with the bottom high sharing disperser. Okay, now you connect the electric power and open the power supply. You can operate the machine. First, you can check the mixer. This is the main port mixer. Press here the mixer and start the mixer. You can adjust the speed by turning this screw. To the right is to increase the speed. To the left is to decrease the speed. You can see the mixer from here. The mixing speed direction is clockwise direction. And now you can see the mixer of the oil and the water port. And now stop. And for stop the main port mixer, you can screw to 0, or you can directly press the red button. Now for the homogenizer, firstly you need to check the inner port, the material. Click the homogenizer and adjust the time, working time. When it reaches the working time, it will stop working. And adjust the speed. And then you can stop the homogenizer. Screw to 0. It stop. Now for the heating, as there is no water inside of the jacket, I can only show you the voltage currency change. Now for the emulsifier heat, I click the green light and then you can see the voltage change of here. Click. Okay, the same for the oil and the water heat. And water heat. Now this is the light. Here it is the temperature. You can increase the temperature or decrease the temperature. This light, the green setting temperature should be higher than the temperature here. For example, if below than the setting temperature. Okay, now check the heating. It cannot work. So you have to set back. Okay, let's check. Okay. Now for the vacuum. Firstly, you have to close all the valves. This is to release the vacuum. Now I need to make it vacuum. 要真空。Start the vacuum. Okay, stop. Now we stack the material from here, the water and the oil phase. You can see the water flow from the water port into the main port. Okay. Now we release the vacuum. Open this valve, air brake. 打开这个阀，打开这个阀，快点。You can see 2 spray balls for the cleaning. Now I start the mixer and homogenizer. 那个搅拌跟加热，搅拌跟均质打开一会。这里均质剂。快点啦！ a tilting system. Okay, now reset. It should be fully lifting up, and then you can use the tilting system. 降。It's hydraulic down. Okay. Now we turn off the machine by press the emergency stop. 关机，不要挡住。Okay.